looks like it stopped. I turned this off just a little bit more, and it looks like it stopped.
Okay.
So I'm going to check the meter here in a second. But I just cranked this turn valve a little bit more, and it's not bubbling anymore.
Okay.
It was going at about a little bit under a gallon a minute.
Oh.
So it was going at a decent clip.
Okay. Do you know how long?
Yeah. Give me one moment and I can look at it.
Okay.
Hello all, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about a device that I've been eyeing for a couple of years, the Flume 2 water usage monitoring device. After dealing with a costly leak this past week, I decided to finally pull the trigger. Let's have a look at it, starting with what comes in the box. In the box, you will find the monitor itself, the base station, bungee cords, the AC adapter for the base station, a tool to open your water meter box, and some gloves. A nice touch. Taking a look at the water meter itself, it's fairly basic and simple. Opening it up, we find a couple silica packets. Note, do not throw these away. These are meant to stay inside your Flume box to help with moisture and condensation. We also see the pre-populated Flume battery pack with another slot to add another battery if you like. While it's a bummer that these aren't rechargeable and they're made proprietary for seemingly no reason, at $15 a pop with a 1-year lifespan, I'll allow it. Now, let's get into the setup. Firstly, we'll download the Flume app and step through the registration process. This process was quick and easy, but be sure you do this before installing your water monitor, as you want the monitor to be as close to the base station as possible during the setup process. Now, with registration complete, we can begin with the physical installation. Now, my water meter is secured with a pentalobe nut, so I wasn't able to make use of the tool that the Flume came with. While I have a pentalobe tool en route from Amazon, I found that I was able to remove the cover for now with channel locks. With the cover off, the app will direct you to take a picture of your meter. Be sure to clean it off first so that you can capture the operative information. Next, you'll use the included bungee cords to mount the Flume monitor against the meter. The app will then direct you to open a stream of water so that it can begin calibration. I found that it took a few times for mine to calibrate, but after shifting the monitor sensor around on the meter, it finally synced up. Once complete, the app will direct you through the rest of the quick configuration and you're off to the races. With my device installed, I was curious as to how accurate it was. Luckily, I had an idea. See, the original leak that ran for over a week wasn't actually a leak. What happened was, I opened the master valve for my sprinklers without closing the valve left open by the company that winterized my sprinklers. While I would like to be upset with them for leaving it open, I can't, because this is the second year in a row that I've done this. You'll see that if I reopen the master valve again for demonstration purposes, water shoots up out of the sprinkler box. And if we check the Flume app, we see that it's flowing at about 0.64 gallons per minute. I guess the device is working well. After closing this valve, the water usage dropped to near zero and I was good to go. Rest assured, with Flume, I won't be making that same mistake for 3 years in a row. At any rate, I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.